Now remember, migrant workers within the country have also been allowed to return to their states. Over 21,800 people estimated stranded in other states have now arrived in Kerala until Saturday. At all the checkpoints, the state government has set up a facilitation centre and only people with a proper travel pass will be permitted to enter into the state. Take a look at this report from my colleague Gopi Krishnan Unnithan.
I am now here at the Kerala-Tamil Nadu border in Kalikavala. So this is actually the border in Thiruvananthapuram district. This is in the southernmost part of the state. And this is one of the major entry points for people who are coming from other states and mostly from Tamil Nadu. So this is actually the facilitation center for these people who are coming here with a registration to do the verification and all. I'll just ask my camera person to show you what is a normal protocol. So each person coming to this area, they will be actually guided to this restroom that you see over there. And because of the social distancing protocol, we are not really going too much close to them. This is where they will first have to wait. And now depending upon their token number, they will be called up to this help desk and the registration area, where they will have to start with their normal formalities of registration, declaring where they are coming from and all those things. This is the help desk where they will actually be guided by the people who are sitting here. Their declaration will be taken from them on where they are coming from and where is their permanent address and all. And from this help desk, they will be guided into this registration area. And these members of the government who are actually sitting here, they will personally verify the authenticity of the documents which they have provided during the registration. From the registration desk, they will be guided to any of these cabins. Each person who is coming from other part of the state, other part of the country, will be checked, will be they will do the checking and the diagnosis and see if there is any symptoms that this person is showing. And after the medical clearance, they will actually, after assessing the situation of each person, they will actually give a clearance or they will make some remarks. And if found to be symptomatic, they will actually suggest that this person be shifted to a hospital. And also there is a small emergency room which is kept over here. This is actually an emergency room just in case somebody who is elderly or who is falling sick. So this is how the process works in Kerala, and this will be the normal protocol in other parts of the state as well. And in Thiruvananthapuram, the numbers are comparatively less as compared to Walayar or Manjeshwara in Palakkad and Kasaragod respectively. With camera person Tengu Rajshekharan, Gopi Krishnan, Thiruvananthapuram for India Today.
All right, so that's an exclusive report from those facilitation center by Gopi Krishnan Unnithan.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.